Now we have this question, 3 whole number 1 over 5 times 2 whole number 3 over 4 divided by open bracket 2 over 3 of 1 whole number 3 over 8. Now, looking at this, we have many operations that we need to perform on it. We have multiplication, we have division, and of course we have of, which is multiplication as well. Now, let's deal with it. BODMAS. So, we're going to deal with the bracket first. So what we have in the bracket, you write it 2 over 3 of 1 whole number 3 over 8. Okay, so of means multiplication, so 2 over 3 times, you take these two in proper fraction, 8 times 1, that's 8 plus 3, that's 11 over 8. Okay, and from this you multiply 2 times 11, you multiply the numerator and then the denominators. 2 times 11 gives 22, and 3 times 8 gives 24, and you can reduce this to be 11 over 12. Now you're done with what we have in the bracket. So this, you bring it to this expression. So you have 3 whole number 1 over 5 times 2 whole number 3 over 4 divided by 11 over 12. Okay, after bracket, what do you have? Of, you have dealt with that. Then division, so you are going to deal with division now, and that is 2 whole number 3 over 4 divided by 11 over 12. Okay, so take these two in proper fraction so that they can be in the same form. 2 times 4, that gives you 8, plus 3, that gives you 11. 11 over 4 divided by 11 over 12. Okay, now when you're dividing a fraction, basically it's impossible, but what you do is that you change this division to multiplication. Okay, so that will be 11 over 4 times, then the number you have after division, the fraction you have after this division, you are going to alternate it. What do I mean by that? Find the inverse of it. It means that the denominator will become the numerator and the numerator will become the denominator. So you have 12 over 11. And from here, 11 can cancel 11. So 11 can divide 11. So 1 times 12 gives you 12 over 4. And 12 over 4 gives you 3. 12 divided by 4. So you bring it to this and write. That gives you 3, 1 over 5 times 3. Okay, so take this to improper fraction as well. 3 times 5 gives you 15 plus 1, that gives you 16 over 5 times 3 over 1. 16 times 3, that gives you 48, and then 5 times 1, that gives you 5. So what you have now is 48 divided by 5, which gives you 9. 9 whole number, it remains 3 over 5. This is your final answer.